Good morning, Charlie. What happened last night? What happened last night?
What?
Did you fall out of bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, my phone different.
Did you fall out?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Did you bang your head?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
My dad's bag. I pulled the bag.
Oh, really?
My fell off.
You did fall off, didn't you? And what are you doing out of bed now? You're supposed to stay in your bed until Mommy comes to get you. And I really shouldn't have you in my bed right now because you've got lice. You got bugs in your hair. No licking.